Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key, select power off, and when the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down. Now, the way you hold it, it's going to be a little bit tricky to boot into the recovery mode, so I'm going to kind of describe it the way I go about it. Might be easier, I believe. So let's start holding power key and volume down, and you should see HTC logo. You want to keep holding, it will disappear, then it will reappear again. So keep holding for the entire time. It should appear for a second or so again, and once it disappears the second time around, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down, and this will instantly take you to the boot mode from where you can access the recovery mode. So when you see this, you can let go of the keys, obviously, and you want to use volume keys to navigate in order to select recovery mode. Press power key to confirm that, and there we go. We should be right now in recovery mode. There we go. So again, just as before, you will use volume keys to navigate, and from here you can do several different things. You can reboot the device, reboot the bootloader, which will take us back, enter fast boot mode, apply updates from SD or ADB, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run graphic test or local test, and power off the device. Now whatever you select, you will also confirm it just as before with the power key. So because I want to leave this mode, I selected reboot system now, and this will take me back to Android. That is how you would access the recovery mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.